Hi, my name is Craig Lloyd. I'm the CEO of Murrindindi Shire Council. Thanks for tuning in to Council's COVID-19 pandemic update for Wednesday, 8th of April. Firstly, the total number of coronavirus cases in Victoria is 1,212. That's an increase of 21 from yesterday. And unfortunately, a woman in her 80s died in hospital yesterday, taking the total number of people who've died in Victoria to 12. We still remain at one confirmed case in the Murrindindi Shire. The Victorian Government has announced an important initiative that I'd like to share with you. If your employment status is affected by coronavirus, you're invited to register your details on the Working for Victoria website to access new work opportunities. Those who are eligible can apply, and they can apply your skills or take on training opportunities for specific roles. At the same time, organisations and employers looking for work can find experienced and screened staff who are ready to work. Working for Victoria supports Victorians with opportunities for paid work that will help our community and contribute to Victoria's ability to respond to the pandemic. Murrindindi Shire Council has been asked by the state government to apply for additional short-term staff fully funded by the state government. And if we're successful, we want these jobs to go to local people. But for this to happen, we need local people to register for these positions. Full details about how to register can be found on the Working for Victoria website. So go online and go to vic.gov.au/Working for Victoria and click on the I'm Looking for Work link. Now, an important update for business owners. In order to ensure Council and our community are able to advocate strongly to the state and federal government for assistance for our businesses, we need some information from you. We have today emailed around 1,200 business email addresses with a very short survey. And this survey will allow us to gather information on how businesses are faring, industry by industry, capture the gaps in the current support arrangements, and gather ideas to take to the other levels of government. If you are a business owner and you haven't received one of these emails, and we'd love you to fill out the survey, and you can visit our COVID-19 webpage on the Murrindindi Shire website and go to the business support section. There you'll also be able to register for future business updates. Now some information about the Easter weekend ahead of us. There have been a lot of mixed messages out there about people staying in their holiday homes. The advice from Victoria's Chief Health Officer today has been clarified and cannot be any clearer. He said you mustn't go to holiday accommodation or a B&B, don't visit relatives or friends or have them over. Can't be much clearer. Obviously though, we have many people already here staying in their holiday homes, and the Chief Health Officer's advice on this is to stay in your accommodation and do not mix with communities. We've seen significant numbers of visitors shopping, particularly in Alexandria today, and this must stop. Police have been clear that they will be taking a tough stance on people not following the 4 directions. Our community has worked hard and made sacrifices to keep us all safe, and we're simply asking visitors and part-time residents to do the same. We don't want to undo all the hard work we've done in this one weekend. If you do see inappropriate behaviour, please contact the Victoria Police Assistance Line on 131 444. In addition to the parks I've previously advised are closed, Parks Victoria have let us know today that the Cathedral Ranges State Park and Lake Eildon National Park will close from tonight. With a long weekend ahead of us, many people might think it's a good time to clear up around their homes and do a bit of gardening or hard rubbish removal. However, now isn't the time to be clearing out the shed and making unnecessary trips to our resource recovery centres, so by all means do the clearing out. But our centres are only available and operating as they're considered essential, and that's largely for those without curbside collection who haven't the ability to get rid of their waste through the normal bin process. We are discouraging any non-essential trips to our resource recovery centres at the moment. If you are going to visit, please remember it's payment by card only, and you will be asked to verify that you are a resident. That's all from me tonight. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay home.